Here is how you use dynamic wallpaper on iPhone, but first hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. It really helps me out. Thank you. So start by opening settings, then select the battery option, and you need to turn off low power mode for the dynamic wallpaper to work. The second thing we need to change is swipe up to the very top of settings and then tap on search and search for reduce motion. Select reduce motion, and if this one is on, tap to turn this off. Now head to your home screen, then swipe down from the very top. Now long press on the empty space of your home screen, tap the plus to create a new wallpaper. Now scroll all the way down and look for the iOS 18 dynamic wallpapers. Not all of these are dynamic. It kind of tricks you. You have to swipe to the very ends and you can see the wallpaper which changes colors. That's the one you want. So we'll just select this one here and then we'll swipe across, and notice the color. You need to swipe until it says dynamic. This should be the very first one, and you can notice the preview is automatically changing colors. What people sometimes get confused on is you choose one of these ones here don't automatically change. It's only the dynamic one. So tap on add, and you can set as wallpaper pair, but the home screen wallpaper won't change color dynamically, only the lock screen. You can tap customize home screen to set a custom home screen wallpaper. I will set as wallpaper pair, and then we'll select the wallpaper. So it doesn't change color immediately like you see in the preview. It slowly changes the color throughout the day, and I hope this video helped you out.